Okay, hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to install another plugin called Pretty Link Lite. We're going to start in the dashboard. We're going to go down to Plugins, and we're going to add New. Now, Pretty Link Lite, and we're going to type in Pretty Link Lite. Now, anytime you're going to do any type of affiliate marketing, you're going to get affiliate links. And typically, an affiliate link is pretty ugly looking, hence the name Pretty Link. Pretty Link Lite is a free solution that allows you to take ugly links and make them pretty. So we notice it's got over 200,000 installs. It's been updated 3 weeks ago, and it's compatible with our version of WordPress. These are all good things, and we're going to click on Install and install it in. Then we'll activate it. And now that we're here, we'll click on Pretty Link and we'll take a look at, we'll get rid of that advertisement. Now what Pretty Link allows you to do is you choose the type of redirection, and normally in the free version you've got the 307, 302, 301. Typically 307 is a good one to choose for your affiliate links. Now the target URL is the actual target that it will redirect to. This is the link, the ugly link, that will be the one that you're pointing to, but you don't want to give this link out. So we're just for the sake of this, we're going to put in, we'll just put in Google, though we can normally put any link here. Now here's where the magic of Pretty Link happens. This is how you can decide what to call this. So what happens is this could be some really god-awful link. And all we're going to do is it's going to take the base of our domain, wpfunnel.demo.com, and then we can put whatever we want. So let's just say we wanted to say search. Or you could put anything. You could put, if you're doing ClickBank, you could put fat loss factor, or you can put lose weight. And then, so your link would then be wpfunnel.demo.com/lose weight. Now the title here you put in is title for you, link to Google search. And you can put some notes in here for yourself. There are some advanced options where you can choose a group. So if you can group links together, you could have a ClickBank group, you could have a JVZoo group, a Warrior Plus group. Let's just say here we're going to say, let's create a new one. We'll just say ClickBank. You hit enter. Now that group is created. So now you see it could be none or ClickBank. Just for sake of argument, let's call this ClickBank. No follow, you can decide whether or not you want no follow and no index to this link. And parameter forwarding, if there's any parameters in the link, whether or not you want that forwarded. And also tracking, which it'll actually, even in the basic version, it will allow you to track how many hits you get to a link. You want to do that. And now here at the bottom, they also have some pro options. But of course, the pro options are for an upgrade to Pretty Link Pro, which for today, we're not going to worry about. We'll close that off. And then you hit create. And now here in our list of pretty links, we have one called Link to Google Search. It has its group, tells us when it's created. You can actually look at stats. So you can look at edit it again. You can delete it. You can clear the stats if you have hits. You can look at your clicks for search. So it'll actually show you, it will keep track of all your clicks. It'll tell you your IPs, refers. So there's actually some good information. So you can create actually different links for different reasons that you use them, and then actually track them. Now, if you want to just take a look, you can copy it to clipboard. And what we'll do is we'll open up another thing. If we paste it here, if we paste in or put a link here, say, it's wpfunnel.demo.com/search. When we enter that, it's going to kick over to Google. Now, this is what's considered an uncloaked link, which means that even though the person puts in this, when they actually go to the link, it will show what the link is. It's not cloaked, it's uncloaked. To be honest, to get cloaking, there is the upgrade to Pretty Link Pro will give you cloaking, and eventually you may want to do that. There are also some other paid options that do the same thing. But for our purpose here, Pretty Link Lite is a great way to start. Be sure to install it as we did and make sure that it's linked in here. And of course, it'll give you the option to upgrade to Pro at a later date when you're ready. But there you go. That's Pretty Link Lite. I thank you for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.